It's 11 p.m. and you're lying in bed scrolling your bank app for the third time. Like the number's somehow going to change if you refresh it enough. Rent's due in 6 days, your paycheck already has a plan, and that plan doesn't include you. You open TikTok and see someone saying they made $3,000 last month from a side hustle. Either that's fake or I'm doing something wrong. Most side income advice is a scam dressed as opportunity or buried under hype. Today, we're building a real ladder. A 90-day path from $0 to $500 a month, one rung at a time. My name's Marcus. If you've ever wanted extra income but didn't know where to start, hit subscribe. Side income doesn't fail because ideas are bad. It fails because people start on the wrong rung. If you try to jump straight to the top rung without footing underneath, you fall. Hard. $500 a month doesn't require one big idea. It requires 4 small sequential moves. $500 a month is about $16 a day. That's it. 4 hours a week at $30 an hour is $480 a month. Almost there from 4 hours a week. Stack 2 small income sources instead of chasing one big one. 250 plus 250 equals the same $500 with less pressure. Days 1 to 30, target $50 to $100. Days 31 to 60, target $200 to $300. Days 61 to 90, target $400 to $500. Small, then bigger again. Why not just go all in on one big idea? Because big ideas without foundation collapse under pressure. Successful side income builders started small, proved the system worked, then scaled what was working. Rung 1, days 1 to 30. Sell a skill you already have. Writing, editing, tutoring, design, admin support, Fiverr, Upwork, or local Facebook groups. List a service in under an hour. Goal, your first $50 to $100. Once you've been paid once, your brain stops treating this as theoretical. Rung 2, raise your rate by 20 to 30%. Most beginners underprice massively. Or add a second simple stream, selling unused items, pet sitting, delivery work. This isn't about working more hours forever. It's about testing which stream has more room to grow. Rung 3, days 46 to 70. Build one repeatable system. This is the rung most people skip, and it's the one that actually creates $500 a month reliably. For freelance work, create a simple template response for client inquiries. For selling items, build a repeatable sourcing routine. Thrift stores, clearance sections, 1 day a week. Systems turn effort into repeatable income instead of one-off wins. Rung 4, days 71 to 90. Layer a semi-passive piece. A simple digital product, template, printable, guide, or affiliate links attached to content you're already creating. This piece won't replace your active income immediately, but it starts compounding in the background. Rungs 1 through 3 build the floor. Rung 4 builds the ceiling. Most people try to build the ceiling first and wonder why nothing holds it up. Let me tell you about someone I'll call Priya. She'd tried starting a business twice before and quit within a month both times. This time, she offered resume editing on Fiverr. First 2 weeks, $40. By day 40, she raised her price and added proofreading as a second offering. By day 60, she built a simple 3-message template system, cutting her time per client in half. By day 85, she turned her resume tips into a $9 digital checklist. Final result, day 90, $560 a month split across 3 small streams instead of one big one. She told me, I thought I needed one perfect idea. I actually needed 4 small ones stacked in order. Rung 1, sell a skill you have. Rung 2, raise rate or add a stream. Rung 3, build a repeatable system. Rung 4, layer a semi-passive piece. It's not about finding the perfect idea. It's about climbing in order, proving each step before adding weight. If this gave you a real starting point, hit subscribe. Which rung are you on right now?